We were there as customers realized.
Come on now.
The Shelby County Clerk's office Whitehaven location is closed. This man making his frustration known.
Jesus.
We told him the clerk says the air conditioning isn't working.
This is ridiculous. They got to do something about this. And long lines and man, I don't understand.
He wasn't the only one to show up today, greeted by the big red close sign.
Give me my text.
Jemiah Bell shared her frustrations too.
I just came 30 minutes. I'm like, it's hot outside. I just wasted gas. Like, I gotta go all the way back to Poplar.
Shelby County Clerk Wanda Halbert says the location has been without air conditioning since Friday and will be closed until further notice. Sharing in a statement, due to aged facilities without customer service requirements and extreme heat, we are preparing to serve customers with appointment services at other locations. But today we received these images of already stressed spots. People standing in the heat at the east location off Mullen Station. We're told the wait time was around 3 hours with limited staff. No AC in Whitehaven is the latest in a saga of problems plaguing the clerk's office. The office recently coming under scrutiny after a backlog of license tag and plate distributions. Halbert, who is up for re-election, has apologized, but says her office has done all it can and has placed blame on outdated facilities, poor technology, and staffing shortages.
We can't even get what we need to do our job.
As far as customers who just wanted to do business today,
I'm very concerned.
Shay Arthur, WREG, News Channel 3.
And we checked with the clerk's office as to when that Whitehaven office could be reopened, and we're told that they don't know. We haven't heard back from the Shelby County Support Services or the property owner as to when that will happen.